Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own shade foundation at home which you can use on daily basis. This is with primer, moisturizer and sunscreen which has an SPF of 30. So to include primer in the foundation, I'm taking aloe vera gel. This acts as a primer. It covers your pores and gives your skin a smooth finish. Next I'm taking sunscreen of SPF of 30. You can use any brand sunscreen. Then moisturizer, it keeps your skin smooth and supple. You can take any brand whichever you like. It should be a good moisturizer. Next I'm taking baby lotion. This is an optional ingredient. If you don't want this, you can skip this. Next I'll be taking vitamin E tablet. This is also an optional ingredient. This gives a dewy effect. This is good for very dry skin people. Next, the main ingredient of this homemade foundation is the compact powder. Choose the compact powder according to your skin tone. Even if it is lighter, you can build up later. And then I'll be taking one mixing bowl with a spatula with a small spoon and then a container to transfer all the contents in this. Next, this is a small teaspoon like I'm using to measure the quantity of the creams I'm using. So this is what all the things you need. First I'll be taking aloe vera gel and I'm going to squeeze out. I'm running out of this as it is. So I just got 1 teaspoon of this aloe vera gel which is a primer. Then I'll be taking sunscreen. I'm going to squeeze this also as 1 teaspoon. Then next comes the moisturizer. This also is 1 teaspoon. You have to squeeze and mix all these ingredients first thoroughly. Once you start mixing all these ingredients or creams, it comes together as an even textured cream and this forms the base of your foundation. If you need more watery consistency, you can add the baby lotion and mix it again thoroughly. Next comes the compact powder, main ingredient. Take a small spoon and scrape out the powder from the compact. Start by scraping little so that you can mix it within the cream. I could not record adding the powder at the first attempt, so I have just added the powder and I have mixed. I need some more powder so that I get a darker color. That's why I'm going to scrape it even more and then add it into the cream and mix it. Repeat this process until you achieve the color of your skin tone. Do it little by little so that there are no lumps. You can mix it easily. This takes at least 3 to 4 minutes continuous mixing. The powder should gel inside the cream. Now you can see how I've got this mixture by continuously mixing it. Once this is done, you will have to test by dipping the finger in the cream and then just rubbing it like this so that there is no powdery texture. You should the powder should gel into the cream very well. So once done, this foundation is almost ready. Suppose if you have dry skin, use this vitamin E tablet. You can squeeze out 1 capsule and mix it into the cream. Now I am taking a little bit of the cream or the foundation and I am testing it on my arm. You can test it on your face also and see if this matches your skin tone. If this is quite okay, then you can stop here and use it. Otherwise you can add little more powder and mix it. Now you see the cream is exactly of my skin tone, so this is almost ready for me. You can make it in little quantities and keep it. This you can use it on a daily basis for office going or college going students. This is very simple, very inexpensive. It can be done with all the products which are easily available at your. So once done, transfer this into the container and then you can store it. You can use it on a daily basis. Good for everybody. So if you want to know more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, share and like. Thanks for watching.